When it comes to fusion, fusion has such a bad rep because of the way it's been used and the way it's been trained to most people. Bonds needs to always be density to density. The amount of hair that you pick out needs to match the amount of hair that you're attaching. So what's important is having very clean and clear section, and the fact that how how seamless you apply them. That comes with training, and I believe having to be certified in great lengths and having to go through the advanced method and having to deal with many different texture. I've learned to master to apply them with the finer density and not having cross hair, not having over I would say over-directed hair, and then having the patience to apply them and place them methodically has made me different than most, I would say, extensionists. Fusionist strands are, as I said, we typically take about 1/4 square inches of the guest hair, and we attach them to the bonds that are smaller than a grain of rice. When you are applying extensions, there are various reasons people get extensions. They get them for length, or they get them for thickness, or they get them for pops of colors, many different reasons. If you are adding hair to add thickness, you can get away with using a lot less hair. At this point, you're not worrying about adding the length or matching the length with where it is to where you want it to be. At that point, anything between 100 to 150 strands of hair normally do the job. But when you are lengthening, you're looking at anything between 200 to 300 strands of hair. And then again, it varies by the guest hair if you have thicker strands or you have finer strands.